Hello everyone, this is Mehek from Crafted Minds. Today we are going to work on Pokemon. Let's find out which one. It's Pikachu! You know, Pikachu is best known for its cute mouse appearance, red cheeks, long ears and tail shaped like thunderbolt. Let's get started. I drew this Pikachu on a plain piece of paper and used acrylic paints. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a Pikachu and then we're going to fill colors in it. Let's see what materials do we need for this art project. We're going to use a plain piece of paper, acrylic paints, cup of water, paint brushes. I'm using one flat brush and one round brush, piece of cloth to wipe our brushes. You can even use a paper towel or napkin. I'm going to draw with marker. You can also use pencil. So let's start. We're going to start with eyes first. So we're going to make one circle like this, small, and then for another eye make another circle. We are going to make another in there like this for reflection, and then going to fill this black color all the way this one too. Now we are going to make a tiny nose in between the eyes, so it's kind of a rectangle, but make sure, triangle, sorry, it's like a triangle, but make sure your sides are not sharp, they are kind of curved. See, it's a triangle, but all the edges, they are curved. Now we are going to make two curves. We're going to work on mouth, so for that we need one curve like this, another curve like this. Then we are going to make a little big U shape over here because Pikachu's mouth is kind of open and it's smiling. See, like this U, little big one. And then we're going to make tongue in there, so for that it's curve but upside down curve like this. Okay, now we're going to make another curve over here above eyes, so it's like this and a little bit like that, and just try to, you can take your finger, put it up here and put little dot on both sides. See, so it's just that we are not going to join these two lines, we have to keep little gap in here. Now from this line we're going to make ear going all the way up, little curve, and then this line coming down, joining this dot, and make sure it's little curve in there, so like this. Now we're going to make a slanting line like this. We're just going to fill this all black. Then on the other side, now we are going to make another ear. It's going to be a little slanting, so this one is little straight going upwards, this one is going to be a little slanting. So for that, again we're going to start from here, make a curved line going all the way over there, and then from here you have to come down with a little curve in your line and then join this dot. So I'm just going to show you like this. So it's going to be coming down with a little curve in there and join this dot, and make sure we are going to keep gap in there, so that's why we put a finger in there and put the dot. So now for a face, oh no, we are not done with this, so we're going to make another slanting line like this and fill it with black color. If you're using pencil, you can fill these black color later on. If you're planning to use crayons or pencil colors, so you can fill it with black color later on. You can just leave it like this. So now we are going to work on face. For that, start from here, just going to make a little curve, going a little bit like this and a little bit curve all the way like this. Now same from here, going to make a little curve out, going out, in, out, in, and then again out like this. So it's kind of like this. See? Now we're going to make cheeks. For that, it's 1/2 curve like this, or half circle. Same on the other side like this. Okay, now we are going to work on our before that, because I want one of my arm over here, so we are going to make a long, it's a long U or a long curve like this. See, going all the way over here. So we are going to stretch this line a little bit over here, a little bit more, and just add fingers in there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's our hand. Now we are going to make another hand over here. So for that, we are going to take from here, from the cheek, you can see this line is going all the way up here like this, and then we are going to make a tiny curve for thumb. So it's going to be like this, and then we're going to add fingers over there. So, and then we are going to make another line going all the way down like this. So okay, now from this side below this arm, just make a little curve going a little bit out, curve line going out, and then a little big curve going in and turning in like this. Now on the other side, we are going to make a line going a little in, out, and in like this. Now we are going to add one line like this in between that, and now from here, from this curve, make a slanting line like this for our 1, 2, 3 like this, and then go all the way up with a little curve and join this line in there. Same over here, going to add like this, and then 1, 2, 3, go all the way over here and a little curve and add over here. For that, I'm just going to connect these two lines together. Okay, so like that. So now we are left with our tail. So for that, we're going to start from here, like from this bend, you can see you make one line going all the way down, and then we're going to make that line go all the way up. It's a zigzag line, so one slanting line going down, then going up, and then going a little bit slanting down, and touch all the way this hand up here. And then from fingers, we are going to make one slanting line going all the way down there, then another, then from here make another line coming all the way down, slanting line going this side, left side, then again slanting line going down, and then like this slanting line a little straight going down and then going all the way up. It's kind of a zigzag line, you can see, because we have to make a tail like a thunderbolt tail, right? So yep, we are done with our Pikachu drawing. Now we are going to fill color in it, and we are going to use acrylic colors for this. And I'm gonna start with yellow color first. So I'm going to dip my brush in yellow color and start coloring. So if you are using some other colors, you can also start with yellow, because we always start with lighter shade. So just fill it with color first. So yeah. And remember, you can always pause the video and finish your drawing. Almost done. I'm done with my face. Now I'm going to color arms over here and hands. And see, always try to make your strokes according to your shape. So over here you can see it's little curve right over here, so I just moved my brush in curve direction. So see, it's always, and making my strokes all the way vertical over here. See, over here it's curved, so just move your brush and make your strokes accordingly. So it's curved over here, see. Just going to color feet. And then tail is also same yellow color. Okay, here we go. We are done with our yellow color. So now I'm going to wash my brush and going to use this round brush for cheeks. Going to color them red. Same on the other side. I'm going to color this one red too. Okay. Now I'm going to take pink color and fill in here. That's mouth. And I just added white color in red and made this shade, this pink color one, this. Okay, now I'm going to add this brown color dark one in here. If you want, you can do black in there too, but I'm just going to add this dark brown in there. And also I'm going to add brown over here. You know what, it will be easy for you to see. I'm just going to add lines like this, zigzag lines, and then going to color in it, so you know that okay, this area is gonna be all dark brown and up is all yellow. See, like that. I'm going to wash my brush. Now we are going to add shadows. For that I'm using this light shade brown. So we are going to add a little shade over here, this under the ear. You can see, right? Yeah. So when we are adding shadows, try not to take a lot of paint, just a little bit of paint, or if you can just dab one time on your paint and then just take extra paint off, dab it on your piece of cloth or napkin, whatever you are using, to take extra paint off. And then going to add shadow on this ear too, and just to blend it I'm gonna take yellow color and put it around it here. Going to take this and add little shadow around this tail thing down here, a little bit under the arm over here on this curve, then a little bit over here, and then a little bit over here down there on feet. Here we go. So yeah, I think we're done with this. So we are done with our Pikachu. Hope you enjoyed working on Pikachu today. If you liked the video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe our channel to know what's in this Pokeball. Thank you.